Are you looking for a cheap yet reliable sliding gate opener? In this video, we've selected the models that offer the best value for money. All links are in the description below. To make the right choice, you need to consider the weight of the gate, the power of the motor, and how easy it is to install. We've chosen the 3 best budget-friendly gate openers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to discover more home equipment. Here are the 3 best cheap sliding gate openers, from the most affordable to the most efficient. First, the Cozy CG1400 sliding gate opener combines power, security, and durability in one compact design. Equipped with a 280-watt motor, it smoothly handles gates up to 1,400 pounds and 40 feet long at a speed of 42 feet per minute, supported by quality roller chains. Its solid steel construction with ABS cover ensures heat dissipation and long-term reliability, while the all-copper motor delivers consistent performance. Installation is straightforward with included tools, and the system is expandable with accessories such as alarms or sensors. 2 remotes are included with a range of nearly 100 feet, and the system supports up to 25 remotes, perfect for families or small businesses. Advanced frequency encryption keeps controls secure, while optional infrared sensors provide automatic rebound when detecting vehicles or pedestrians. Next, the Blütezeit Geo 800 sliding gate opener delivers strength and precision for demanding installations. Its 370-watt copper motor easily powers gates up to 1,800 pounds and 40 feet in length, making it suitable for both residential and commercial settings. Unlike chain-driven systems, the rack drive ensures smooth, quiet operation below 45 decibels, supported by corrosion-resistant steel gear racks for long-lasting durability. Safety is a priority with its included infrared sensor, obstacle detection, automatic stop, and overheating protection. Users can customize settings with auto-close timers of 5, 10, or 20 seconds, while the system also supports Wi-Fi control with an optional module. 2 remotes are included with a 100-foot range, and up to 40 codes can be stored for larger families or facilities. With reliable technical support and rugged construction, it ensures safe and efficient daily use. The Vevor MD280 solar sliding gate opener is built for performance, energy efficiency, and durability. Featuring a 280-watt motor running at 2,400 rotations per minute, it handles gates up to 65.6 feet wide and 1,799 pounds, making it ideal for residential, farm, or commercial properties. Its nylon gear rack and high-strength chain provide fast, smooth operation, opening a 3 to 4 meter gate in just 20 to 30 seconds. 2 remote controls are included with a 50-meter range, and the system supports up to 40 users. Safety is ensured with infrared sensors that detect obstacles to prevent accidents and protect family and pets. The unit is crafted with a cast aluminum and ABS shell, stainless steel gears, and an IP44 rating for weather resistance, guaranteeing reliable performance in harsh conditions. Solar compatibility adds eco-friendly convenience to its robust design. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.